Welcome to our tutorial on how to prevent Instagram from accessing your media on your device. With the latest updates, follow these steps to enhance your privacy settings and control what files Instagram can access. To begin, open the Settings app on your device to access the Settings menu. Scroll down and locate the option for Apps or Application Manager, which may vary depending on the device you are using. Tap on it to proceed further. From the list of apps displayed, find and select Instagram to access its specific settings. Within the Instagram app settings, tap on the option labeled Permissions to view and customize the permissions granted to Instagram. Find the permission for files and media or storage and toggle on the switch next to it if you want to allow Instagram to access your files. To prevent Instagram from accessing your media, select the option Don't Allow to restrict Instagram from accessing your files and media content. By following these steps, you can ensure better control over your privacy and prevent Instagram from accessing your personal media on your device. Thank you for watching our tutorial. Enjoy the enhanced privacy settings that enable you to manage what information Instagram can access. Take control of your data and privacy while using social media platforms.